If you have a med spa website with zero traffic, I'm going to give you the exact blueprint on setting goals for your website, and I'll show you a real life case study on how websites are growing in 2025. So, if you're new here, my name is Joshua Kishaba. I am the number one SEO, local SEO agency out here in Honolulu, Hawaii. So, anyway, let's get into business. So the first thing that you want to do is figure out your goals. So let's go here. I'm going to type it to ChatGPT. Give me a list of 50 services a med spa would offer. Okay. So we're going to take these and then we're going to say, let's just say we want to launch in LA. So please, going to say please to ChatGPT. Please add Los Angeles to the end of all the keywords and give me just okay. So of course, when you get this list, you want to make sure that these are services that you do provide. Let's go here. Okay, so we got all 50 of these. I'm going to copy these. Boom. And you want to filter out again all the services you don't provide. So we're going to put this into the keyword overview in SEMrush. So this is just going to tell you the highest competition keywords and the lowest ones that your website should be targeting. Okay, so here's how you read this. This is the volume of searches per month, and this is the competition level. So the lower the number, the better, the easier it is to compete. So let's just go with the highest volume ones. As you can see, there's a couple twos here. That doesn't seem like a great one. Chemical peels, Los Angeles, that seems like a good one to start ranking for. Laser skin resurfacing, Los Angeles. Um, Dermal fillers, cool sculpting, microneedling. Okay, so you can see that you're gonna have to target these keywords. So you might ask, how do you target these keywords? So I'm gonna show you a very good website that's ranking number one. So medspa loss. As you can see, I already visited this site and I checked what they had, and they do very good. So, like, we're gonna look at laser hair removal, right? So you can see they created a specialized a page for this keyword. They answer all of the frequently asked questions on this page. They have a lot of high quality photos. They tell you exactly how it costs, great CTAs, before and after pictures, uh, YouTube videos, client reviews. These are just very good things to have on your service page. And as you can see, I'm going to look on the internals of the website. So this is what this website is telling Google that has on this page. So you can see the tags say laser hair removal Los Angeles. It tells you all of the different areas you can treat with laser hair removal. As you can see, this website does a great job telling Google exactly what they do. And they answer the frequently asked questions and they answer every question. So this provides a great user experience when you're looking for laser hair removal in Los Angeles. And that's the major reason that this website ranks number one because they have this page for every single one of their treatments. And as you can see, when you go to any of these, they do the same thing. They have great They tell Google exactly what they do, and they always answer all the questions. Uh, Great photos, great forms, very descriptive. This website just does a lot of good things. And here, I'll put this into my SEMrush. As you can see, they're guaranteed doing very well. Yeah, seeing about 8,000 traffic a month, ranking number one for all of these major keywords. And the way that they do that is have a specific service for every single one of their services, and all of them are targeted at their exact location and their exact keywords. So this is the first thing a new med spa website has to do is create these service pages. There's a lot more that goes into SEO, but if you don't have these service pages for each one of your services, you're never going to rank well on Google. So yeah, if you have any questions, feel free to leave it in the comment below. If you want to be featured in one of my next videos, I can roast your website, do a quick analysis on it. Um, but yeah, if you're a med spa, feel free to reach my email in the description below. I can help you out with a free audit and hopefully get you ranking number one like these guys.